Hello everyone. Today I am going to start stenography course. Those who are interested in learning stenography course and those who want to become a stenographer can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Okay, so today what is shorthand? Shorthand is a system of rapid writing based on the sound of a words rather than on conventional spellings. And who invented it? Invented by Sir Isaac Pitman, an English educator. So shorthand method was first published in 1837 as stenography sound hand. So now you know what is shorthand. Shorthand, it is nothing but writing in short form based on the words sound. And who invented it? Shorthand method was invented by Sir Isaac Pitman. So when it was firstly published in 1837 as stenography sound hand. So now you know what is shorthand and who invented it and when it was published. Yes, okay. So today we are going to start the first chapter of stenography course. So before starting the first chapter, how many alphabet are there? There are 26 alphabet. So out of 26 alphabet, how many vowels are there? Vowels are 5. Yes. So remaining all are consonants. Yes. So our first chapter name is consonants. So today we are going to learn about consonant. So today there are 8 topics in consonants. So let us see that 8 topics. What are the 8 topics in consonants we are going to discuss? I am going to write on the board. Just copy down it. Consonants, it is the first topic. Forms of consonants. Third topic. Arrangement of first group. Fourth topic. Arrangement of second group. Fifth topic. Nasals. Sixth topic. Liquids. Seventh topic. Coalescence. Eighth topic. Eighth topic is aspirants. So first topic is about consonants, second topic is about forms of consonants, and third topic is arrangement of group 1, and fourth topic is about arrangement of group 2, fifth topic is nasals, sixth topic is liquids, seventh topic is coalescence, and eighth one is aspirants. So consonants. So what you know about consonants? Consonants, it is nothing but consonants are the results of audible frictions. Consonants are results of audible frictions or stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. We can say consonants are the audible frictions, or else you can also say it stops the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. That means when you spell consonants, what happens means you will stop your breath in some part of your mouth or throat. Yes, so when you spell consonants, what happens? You will stop your breath in some part of your mouth or throat. So that is consonants. So second one, forms of consonants. There are mainly 2 types of elements. Yes, there are mainly 2 types of elements. They are a straight stroke, and second one is a shallow curve. A shallow curve. So, forms of consonants means there are two types of consonants. The first one are a straight stroke and second one is a shallow curve. I will explain you in detail. Next, third one, arrangement of group 1. Arrangement of group 1 means we consider a straight strokes as group 1 and a shallow curves as group 2. Yes, so we are going to arrange straight strokes here and we are going to arrange a shallow strokes here. Next, fifth topic, nasals. Nasals means it is nothing but about M, N and A. So how you are going to write this M in shorthand and how you are going to write N in shorthand and how you are going to write ink in shorthand. We will write M, N, ink. Yes. So M, N, ink. We will write these letters in shorthand like so. This also I will explain you in detail. Next, liquids. So what are liquids? Liquids are nothing but L, R, Ray. That means liquids are L, R. So we will write L, R in this short form. This is L, R means we can represent these two strokes. Yes, those are liquids. And next, coalescence. Coalescence is nothing but writing W and Y in shorthand form. That means we will write W in this way and we will represent Y in this way. Yes. Next, aspirants means it is nothing but writing of H. How we will represent H in short form. In shorthand form, we are going to represent this as H. This is one of the stroke and another stroke is this one. Yes. Okay. So, the 8 topics outlines I explained you. Now, I am going to explain these 8 topics in detail. Already explained you about consonants. Consonants is nothing but stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. Yes, it is a definition. Consonants definition is our first topic. And the second topic is about forms of consonants. So, to explain these forms of consonants, I am going to write a tabular form. So, let me write a tabular form. Then I will explain you forms of consonants. So, now we are going to see the tabular form of straight strokes. So, already we know alphabet. 26 alphabets are there. So, here how to write letters P, B, T, D, C, H, J, K, G. Already we know how to write in English. Yes, yes. So, in shorthand form, how we have to represent them means P. So, P. P means we have to write in shorthand as a letter P. If you write this stroke, then it is the P form. Yes, if you want to write a post spelling, so then you have to represent this P as with this stroke. Yes, so if you want to write post means you have to write P with this stroke. Or if you want to write rope spelling, so when you write rope spelling, P is in the middle. So when you write P in the middle, what you have to do means you have to write P stroke like so. Yes, so how you have to write P letter means you have to write P letter with this stroke. Yes, and it is a light stroke. Already some of you know that you have to practice shorthand with the pencil only, because in these strokes we are having light strokes and dark strokes. Yes, so P is the light stroke, so we have to write this P stroke as lightly only. Next, we are learning about B letter. So how to write B letter in shorthand. So B letter means same stroke we are going to write, but you have to write darkly. If I write 2 times means that you should write darkly. So when you write P, its character, its stroke is light one and its shape is like so. And when you write B, you have to write same character, but you have to write darkly with your pencil. Yes, okay. So now you know. So if you want to write boost spelling, so boost means then you have to write B letter with this stroke. Yes, when you write boost spelling, what you have to do? You have to write boost spelling B as this letter, dark stroke. Next, if you want to write robe spelling, so when you have to write when you want to write robe spelling, it is in the middle. So you have to write B. No, when you want to write B, you have to write this stroke. Yes, so when you write light stroke, it is P, and when you write dark stroke, it is B. Now you know how to write P in shorthand and how to write B in shorthand. If it is lighter one, it is P, and if it is dark one, it is B. Okay, next letter T. So how to write T in shorthand? So how to write T letter in shorthand means it is a straight look like a 1. It look like a 1. It is a lighter stroke, children, so that's why I write only 1 time. If I shade it 2 times, it is a dark stroke. Yes, if you want to write spelling tip, so what you have to write? You have to write this T as a letter of this stroke. Yes, so when you write tip, you have to write T letter as like so. Next, if you want to write fate, fate means it is nothing but destiny. Yes, the meaning of fate is destiny. So if you want to write fate, it is in the middle, no? So when you write that T in the middle, you have to write this stroke. So how you will write fate T? T you have to write means you have to write straight as like 1. Yes. Okay. Next D. So D is nothing but a letter, you know that. So D, how you have to write means you have to write it as a 1 only, but it is a darker one. Yes, it is a dark one. Yes, okay, it is a dark one. So D means straightly you have to write as a 1 only. It is a stroke which you have to write in dark. If you want to write a dip spelling, so dip means it is nothing but you are putting. The meaning of dip is putting. Okay, so dip means what you have to do? You have to write this dip spelling means then you have to write this stroke as like of 1, that is dark one. Next, if you want to write fade, fade means it is nothing but less brightness. Yes, so fade meaning is nothing but less brightness. So if you want to write fade means what you have to do? It is in the middle. Again, you have to use D letter by representing this stroke. Next, CH. CH, we have to spell this CH as che. Yes, you have to spell this CH as che. Chest. Yes, che. It is sounding like chest. CH, che. Yes, so already I told that shorthand is nothing but it is based on sounds of the words. Yes, according to the sounds we are going to write the short form. Yes, so here if you take chest, we are spelling it as che. Yes, so for the che sound, what you have to write the symbol is this one. Yes, the stroke of che is this one. Yes, next, so che is represented by the stroke is this one. So when you write ch, che, you have to write this stroke. Yes, next, H. So H means it is bite, to cut. This meaning of the H is to cut or to bite. Yes. So if you take this H, at last you are having CH, chase. Yes. So when it is having chase sound, what you have to write? You have to write a stroke, that is this stroke. Yes. It is lighter one. It is lighter one. So next we are going to take J. How to write J letter in shorthand? J. So we spell it as a J only, and just means it is not J-U-S-T. It is not just, it is J-E-S-T. Just means speaking in joke way. Yes, speaking in joke way. The meaning of just J-E-S-T is speaking in joke way. Yes, so if you want to write this word means what you have to write means same stroke we are going to write, but in the dark manner. But in the dark. Yes, here I am writing with chalk piece, that way I am shading like so. But when you are practicing with symbol, you have to write lighter one with your pencil lightly, and darker one you have to write darkly. Yes, one time only you have to write that stroke. If you practice more, you can learn fastly this shorthand. If you don't practice, it will not get for you. If you want to learn this shorthand, you have to practice more times. Okay, now we know up to J. Yes, so next K. Yes, how we have to spell it? We have to spell it as a K. Cane. Cane means it is walking stick. The meaning of cane is walking sticks. So cane, how to write cane? Though it is C-A-N-E, we are spelling it as cane. Yes, K. It sounds with the K. So when it is sounding K sound, then what you have to write? You have to write on the line K. Yes, on the line. When you practice this shorthand, you have to take a rule book. On the rule book, you have to practice, because while you are practicing the shorthand, some stroke should be right on the line, some stroke should be written above the line, and some stroke should be written below the line. So when you practice this shorthand, compulsory you have to have rule notes only. Yes. So when you write this K stroke, you have to write that K stroke on the line. Yes. Okay. See, on the line you have to write. Next, when you write cane spelling, you have to write this stroke, because it is sounding K sound. Leek. Leek, it is nothing but vegetable. The meaning of leek means it is nothing but vegetable. It is a member of an onion family. Yes, so the meaning of leek means it is a vegetable, it is a member of onion family. So leek, k sound. It is sounding as K sound it is coming. Yes, so when there is a K sound, what we have to write? This stroke we have to write. We have to write K stroke on the line. Next, last stroke, it is G. G is nothing but G. Yes, so G letter should be written in the form of K only, but it is in the darker one. So dark one we are going to write G letter. Yes, yes. So G is nothing but gay. It sounds like a gay sound. So here gain. Yes, gain. We are writing with the G, but it is sounding like gay sound. So here we have to write, when gay sound is coming, we have to write this stroke. We have to write this stroke. League. League means it is nothing but distance. The meaning of league is distance. Gain means already you know, gaining. Yes. So we are taking in. Yes. Yes. So here, if you observe, these all strokes are, these all letters are having straight strokes. Yes. So the first 8 letters are having 8 straight strokes. Yes, if you take the consonants, we have started this concept from here only. The first 8 consonants are having 8 straight strokes. Yes, the first 8 consonants are having 8 straight strokes. So how you have to write P stroke, children? P letter, children? P letter you have to write lightly, and that also should be written on the line. Yes, I will right here. This should be on the line. Yes, on the line. Next, B. B means same stroke we are going to write, but it should be in dark. So when you are writing with your pencil, that stroke should be dark. It also should be on the line. Next, T. T letter should be represented here, a stroke that is lighter one, and it also should be on the line. It also should be on the line. Children, you notice the letters stroke I wrote with white chalk paste, and here I'm drawing these lines. Yes, only lines. So you have to write these strokes on the lines, so that I represented with white chalk paste. Lines I represented with the color chalk paste. So here how you have to write D. D is straight stroke, but it is a dark one. Look like a T, but lighter one is T and the darker one is D. Next, Che. Che, how you have to write? You have to write on the line only, but it is a lighter one. Next, J. J you have to write on the line only, but it is a darker one. And K sound. K sound have to be represented on the line only. Yes, on the line only you have to write. Next, G. G, how to write? It should be also written on the line only, but in the dark one. Dark one we have to write on the line only. Yes, yes. So the letter of P is written as a stroke here. Letter of B, letter of T, letter of D, letter of J, letter of J, letter of K, letter of G. Yes. So all these are first consonants. All first 8 consonants are represented by straight strokes that are called as explodents. Yes, the first 8 straight strokes are called explodents. What we call them as? We call them as explodents. The first 8 straight strokes are called as explodents. Yes, we call all these letters as explodents. For more updates, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.